Push an API key to public GitHub and bots scrape it inside 5 minutes.
So what is an API key, really?
Think of it as an employee badge for your app, with an ID and a list of doors it can open. Every request shows that badge. The server scans it, then returns the data. In real code, the badge is one line. Authorization, then bearer, then your key. Here's the same call hitting OpenAI live, with the key loaded from an environment variable. The header name varies though. Some APIs want authorization bearer, some want X API key, some just take it as a query parameter.
And here's the part that trips people up.
An API key identifies the app, not the user. That second part is OAuth's job. You generate one in a developer dashboard, and every provider has its own. The lifecycle is always the same. Create, copy, use, and rotate. That copy step is literal. Most providers show the secret exactly once. The server uses the key for 3 things: authentication, rate limits, and usage tracking. And those rate limits stick to the key, so sharing one across environments will throttle them all. Some providers split keys in 2, a publishable one for the browser, a secret one for the server. Leaks usually happen the same way: committed to Git, scraped by a bot, charged within minutes. If it happens, the order matters. Revoke the key first, generate a new one, then clean Git history. The fix is one habit. Read the key from an environment variable, never hard-code it. The rules are short: never commit it, never ship it to the browser, never share one across environments. The same badge pattern sits behind every API you use. So pick the right tool: an API key when the app is the one being trusted, and an OAuth token when a real user has to grant permission first.